So I'm changing this oil filter on this Honda 300, and what you're gonna do is this would be right by your right foot. There's three bolts. I already took them out. They're 8mm, and if you don't have an 8mm, a 5/16 will do it. You take these out, and it's spring loaded. Now there's a O-ring that sits here, and there's an O-ring that sits in this lip here. It's leaking. And it's leaking because the O-rings are totally crushed. And I'll show you those in a second here. So here's the O-rings. There's a little one that sits in that one spot, and then this one goes around. And if you look at it, you can see how pinched it is. And they're hard and brittle. I poked at it with a nail to pry it out, and it just broke. So when you buy your filters, they don't always come with the rings. So make sure that at least every other time that you change your filter, get one with the O-rings. So there's a spring in here, and this flat side here goes in on the spring because this rubber side fits on that. Your oil flows through that tube and through there, through the oil filter. Now if you put this on backwards, your motor will starve for oil and you will burn up your motor. So make sure you put it in correctly. And that's what it looks like put together. Now my quad is hanging in the air, so really it would look like this. You see the foot peg there? But all I gotta do is just clean it up. Take it, give it a wipe down and pressure wash, and good to go.